Hi viewers, welcome to JSM. In this class, I am going to explain homologous series. So let us see what is homologous series. A series of organic compounds with same general formula and same functional group. Same general formula and same functional group, but each member, okay. So in that, any two successive compounds differ by CH2 unit called as homologous series. Okay. So in this homologous series, each compound is called as homologue. Each compound which is present in the homologous series is called as homologue. Each compound is called as homologue. And here homologues are prepared from similar methods. Okay, each homologue which is present in the homologous series prepared by similar methods and they have similar properties. Okay, let us see here. Okay, homologues are prepared by similar methods. Similar methods, and these homologues have similar properties. Okay, let us see with examples. So I am taking here CH4, C2H6, C3H8, C4H10 and C5H12. So these are the series of organic compounds. So with general formula, that is CnH2n plus 2, these are belongs to alkanes. Okay. So here is a series of organic compounds with the same general formula and all are alkanes, means same functional group is present. Then two successive compounds means two adjacent compounds, so differ by one carbon and two hydrogens. So from here to here, one carbon difference is there and two hydrogens difference is there. Okay, so that's why, so these two successive units are differed by CH2 unit. Okay, then these two successive compounds differ by CH2 unit. So these two also differ by CH2 unit. So these two also differ by CH2 unit. So that's why what we can say here, a series of organic compounds with the same general formula and a functional group, same functional group, and each, okay, in that successive members, two successive members are differ by CH2 units, then they are said to be homologous series. This total series is called homologous series. In that series, the each member is called as homologue. Each member is called as homologue. These homologues are prepared by similar methods and they have similar properties. So let us see another homologous series. Okay, for example, here I am taking C2H4, C3H6, C4H8, C5H10. Okay, so in the general formula is CnH2n. So these are belongs to alkenes. Okay, alkenes. So let us see here. So what is the difference between these two successive members? One carbon difference, two hydrogens difference. So differ by CH2 unit. Next, these two successive members also differ by CH2 unit. So these two successive members also differ by CH2 unit. Okay, a series of organic compounds with the same general formula and same functional group. Here double bond is the functional group, and successive members, two successive members are differ by CH2 unit. That's why this series is called as homologous series, and each member is called as homolog. Okay, let us see next homologous series. C2H2, next C3H4, C4H6, C5H8. So this series comes under the general formula CnH2n minus 2 and alkyne. These are alkynes. Okay. So here two successive members, one carbon difference, two hydrogens difference. CH2 in it. So here also same CH2 in it. Here also same CH2 in it. Okay, a series of organic compounds, same general formula, same functional group, that is triple bond. Okay, two successive members are differ by CH2 units. That's why this total series is called as homologous series, and each member is homolog. Let us take one more here. CH3 OH, C2H5 OH, C3H7 OH, C4H9 OH, C5H11 OH. Okay, in this case also, so general formula is CnH2n plus 1 OH. These are alcohols. Okay, so here is a series of organic compounds with same general formula, that is CnH2n plus 1. The functional group, same functional group, that is OH, 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 OH. So they have same functional group, but they differ in, okay, CH2 unit. So here one carbon difference, two hydrogens difference. So that's why here CH2 unit difference. Here also CH2 unit difference. Here also CH2 unit difference. Here also CH2 unit difference. So that's why this series is called as homologous series, and each member is called as homolog. So like that, so we can say that, okay, the compounds with same general formula and same functional group, but two successive members differ by CH2 unit are called as homologous series. Okay.